Hello everyone, this is Ida from Retekess official website. Today I will show you the detail of our model number T119. Okay, we can see that this is the box, this is the menu, and this is the pages. And this one is the charging base, and this is the keypad. Okay, I will show you how to program and how to change the working mode. First, we need to know clearly about the pages. We can see that there are two charging pins on these pages, and this is our logo. This is the candling note, and this is a digital screen, and this is a number. The key for power on and power off, or we can stop the pages using this key. And this is for set, this is for mode. Yeah, if we want to program the pages, we need to press this key, and if we want to change the working mode, we need to press this key using a sharp key like this pin. Okay, first I will change the number about this key. We can see that originally the pages is number 1. We can stop the working using this key. And if we want to program the new numbers, first we need to clear the first number, and we need to long press this key. Like this one. Yeah, we have cleared it, and now we need to press this key again to program it. I want to program it for 2. Press it, short press, and press number 1, and then press the key. We can see that the lights have off, so we need to program the number within 5 seconds. I will do it again. Press. Yeah, we can see that the new number have showing on these pages. I will call it. It works. Stop it. I will call the number 1. No action. So we have cleared it 1 from the pages. And then I will show you how to change the working mode. It is also very easy. We can press this key. I will call the 2 and see what is the lights and the vibration. Yeah, I will change it. Lights with the beeper, right? And vibration. You can see that. I will press it. Only the lights and beeper. Lights and vibration. Very easy to change. We can change it to the model that you like. No beeper, right? And I will stop it. About this type, it is very easy to operate. You can set and program it using this button on these pages. Also, we can see that about this page is very tiny, right? Very tiny, easy to handle, and also very thin and very comfortable. So I advise this PAGERs to you. If you want to know more, you can contact us or send me email to my email box, sales@retekess.com. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye.